Hey everyone, today we're diving into Garmin's latest golf smartwatches, the Approach S44 and S50, now available worldwide. The S44 comes in at $300, while the S50 steps up at $400, offering some impressive extras for the higher price. Let's start with the Approach S44. It sports a vibrant 1.2-inch color AMOLED display with a sleek silver aluminum bezel, and you can choose between black or twilight silicone bands to match your style. Perfect for golfers, it comes loaded with maps for over 43,000 courses worldwide, plus tools like hazard view and yardage info for precise shot planning. One standout feature is pinpointer technology, helping you nail those tricky blind shots by pinpointing the direction of the pin. Garmin Golf subscribers get even more goodies like course view maps and plays like distance, starting at $99.99 a year. You can track your scores directly on the watch and sync them with the Garmin Golf app for deeper analysis. Plus, auto shot detection makes score tracking effortless. On the connectivity side, the S44 pairs with your smartphone via Bluetooth LE for notifications, and it packs extras like a calendar, weather updates, music controls, and a handy phone finder. It's not just for golf. Track your runs, cycles, or daily steps with ease. And don't worry about battery life. It runs up to 15 hours in GPS mode or lasts up to 10 days in smartwatch mode. Now, let's tee off with the Approach S50. Priced at $400, it includes all the core golf features of the S44, like preloaded maps for over 43,000 courses and a 1.2-inch color AMOLED display, but takes things further with more advanced functionality. It adds heart rate monitoring, morning report, SpO2, sleep coach, and stress tracking to its arsenal. Plus, it supports Garmin Pay, stores music, and features an on-device Connect IQ store. Connectivity options include Bluetooth, ANT+, and Wi-Fi, with activity profiles covering everything from the gym to winter sports. For golfers, the S50 ups the game with plays like distance, adjusting yardages based on elevation changes for more accurate shots. It also boasts a premium design in black or beige with a lightweight comfort-fit nylon strap. Despite these extras, it maintains the same impressive battery life as the S44. So, which one should you choose? If you're looking for comprehensive golf features with added health metrics and premium design, the Approach S50 is your go-to. But if you're focused on core golfing essentials at a more affordable price, the Approach S44 delivers solid performance without breaking the bank. Thanks for watching this entire video. Peace.